I feel like Fino, Davido, Olamide right now. Yeah. How you doing? We're gonna do this. The 30 billion gang. Oh, yeah. That was crap. I mean, I tried. I don't know. I think it was nice. I feel kind of cool doing it. Yeah. Performing like all this guy. Alright, sorry about that. My name is Victor Anyanwu. Yep. They call me the social media oracle, and I am here to tell you about my Facebook ads predictions for 2021. So what have I seen in my crystal ball? I have been looking at the crystal ball, and there are many things that I have seen. And I'm going to share those things with you. But before I share them, you have to do a little thing for me. You have to subscribe. Click subscribe. Click the notification button. Yes. When you click subscribe, you click the notification button. You click like. You comment. You say something. You ask a question on the platform. And I will respond to you. Then you invite your friends. Yes, invite your friends to come and watch. All right. So, as I was saying, all right, my predictions, Facebook has predictions 2021. Right, I talked a little bit about this in just to mention one line actually in my last video. Okay, and this is it. I think, right, or I believe that Facebook will ban a lot more people. Actually, it has even started. All right, one of the accounts that we manage got banned. All right, I know we're not managing the account. It was when it got banned we started managing. All right, so they called us when the account was banned. Right, the Facebook advert account was banned. Page, yeah, I think the page was also banned. Right, so that was when they called us. When they asked that question. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters, right? So they asked, who you gonna call? They said social media oracle, and they came to call us, right? So that's when we started managing the account, right? So this is the idea. Facebook is trying to make sure that they remove a lot of the yaga people, right? There's some people that do lots of crap on social media, right? They post adverts, right? They say they want to sell products. People try to buy the products. It's difficult. Maybe when they buy the products, they're not able to use those products, or they pay for it and they don't get it immediately after paying for it, or it takes a long time. All right, and they don't have any way to communicate. You don't have anybody to talk to. So all those kind of issues that people have had while using. So Facebook has been. I don't know whether you've seen it. But I get it a lot. Facebook has been sending these surveys asking people, oh, how was this product that you bought on our platform? We know you bought this, so what was nice about the product? Oh, it was nice. Was it the product? Was it nice? Was it the user experience? Did you have, so they ask you all these things just to assess the performance of the seller. You understand? And why that is important is it's important because, as I said earlier, I always say in all my videos, Facebook is interested in user experience, right? So the better the user experience, the better the platform. Do you understand? So the more people will spend, more time people will spend on the platform, the more money people will spend buying products, all right? So that Facebook does not become like Gigi. You know how Gigi was selling, the platform for a long time had lots of fakes. People just come post things that were fakes, right? People come post what they don't have, just to scam people, right? So Facebook is trying to make sure that they remove people that have those type of tendencies, so that they clean up the platform. So you are sure that while you are buying on Facebook, you are buying from genuine sellers. You are buying from people actually interested in selling, all right, and making sure that they deliver good products, good services, with fantastic user experience, right? So that's what Facebook is trying to do. So trying to clean up that system, all right? So because of that, they're banning a lot of people, right? So gone are the days where you just say, yes, I've sold, person has paid, so what? I will give him, calm down. all those lackadaisical, terrible attitude that you see on people on Instagram and Facebook, right? What is it? How much did you pay? They're just doing gra. All of that. Those kind of people, here we go. Auntie, if you're like that, here we go. Facebook is coming for you because people buy. They ask them, how was the experience? Then people say how it was. If you keep having negative reviews, here we go. There is no too much grammar. You will go. So, improve your experience. Improve the experiences of people on your platform. Right? Build real, lasting relationships. Okay? Right? Study Facebook policies and procedures. Right? So when you study Facebook policies and procedures, learn all the things they have said do not do. Do not do them. Okay? As much as you can, avoid things that will make Facebook put question mark. Okay? There was a video I released on creating several Facebook advert accounts using your business manager, right? That's actually a very important thing, right? If they ban your account, if you actually have several other Facebook advert accounts, you can just move on to those accounts. All right, you can just move on to those accounts and it can help you. So the idea is create a business manager account, create several Facebook advert accounts, right? So that if you have any issues, you can move on. But in order not to have issues, avoid the things that will cause you problems, right? Focus on creating fantastic user experience, right? Focus on that, right? If you can improve those experiences and have less of all those people reporting you, have less of all those people saying that you did poorly, right? You will do well with Facebook. Okay. Now another thing is, you've been hearing of all these issues with the EU stopping message ads. You can't access EU ads and all that. Apple iOS 14 and all the restriction issues and all that, right? Issues will always come. I'm sure this 2021 will get many more issues. So this is what my advice: look at the issues, look at the problems, look for ways to deal with them. All right. Now the Apple own, it's basically going to be asking people, do you want Facebook to track you? Do you want this app to track you? It's not just Facebook, other apps too. So do you want this app to track you? So they can say yes or no. Now if they say no, it means probably be a bit difficult to track people, especially when you're using things like pixels and all of that, right? So but whatever the case, all right, it doesn't mean you can't still run your ads based on some other factors, some other things. All right, so don't let that disturb you. Right, focus on delivering great value. Right, focus on delivering great value, giving out good content. Right, so what you are selling is also really good. Right, so if you are selling stuff, selling good products, you're providing good service, right? All of this in the end will just be issues, but I think over time you just find out that it's not really as bad as it sounds now. It's it looks really crazy, but it's not really as bad as it sounds now. So just be prepared for it. There'll be ready. There'll be a lot more coming, right? Now, beginning of the year is usually cheaper than the later part of the year, because later part of the year people are preparing for sales, preparing for end of year, Black Friday. What is that other big one? I've forgotten the name of all those things, right? Konga does, Yakata, Jumia does, and all this stuff. All those crazy things happen towards the end of the year. So there will be a lot more people pushing ads, a lot more stuff going online, all right? So the tendency for Facebook ads to increase towards the end of the year is there, because you have a lot more people online trying to make sure that they sell their products. Even people that usually will not do adverts will now do at that time. All right, so you have many people competing for the audiences. All right, so what does that cause? Increase in cost of products. But beginning of the year, you don't have many people doing that, right? They're just coming back, from the festive season. So the first quarter is really a bit slow, calm down. So I think you can capitalize on that, right? So my advice, right, for your Facebook ad: run a lot of your ads now. the ads will be cheap basically because you don't have so many people competing, all right, for that audience yet. All right, so people are still on leave, so people are still chilling. All right, so you can run your ads now and take advantage of that. All right, because it's going to probably increase as the year goes. Do you understand? That's just basically why it increases. You know, a lot more people are competing for the same audience. All right, so how do you make your ads cheaper? I've shared a video earlier on ways to get cheaper ads, doing videos, making sure you run ads on only content that is already performing. All right, so it means you will spend less to push. Also noticing when some of those very big accounts, there are some big accounts, you know, that generally do not compete at certain times, so you can notice those kind of times and run your adverts at those times. All right, let's say you pick you want to start ad now. You can just check it, how maybe when you start putting the naira or you start putting your dollar, whatever the case may be, currency, right? So when you put your currency, you see how many people that is an estimated reach, right? You now notice if you run it at other time, you can just check it. Maybe check like 4 times in January, maybe 4 times in March, and maybe 4 times in April. Just check it. You notice that the difference, there will be a lot of difference between the number of people you are reaching with $5 in January versus the number of people you are reaching with $5 in March or in April. Why? Because there are some times when you don't have many people competing for that same audience. So if you focus on making sure that your content is user friendly, it's actually something that people can use, right? Then that content, you know, it connects with the people. It is content that connects with your audience, right? It's already getting a lot of attention, right? So you now promote that content. It will be really, really nice. It will reduce your cost. It will help you reach a lot more people, all right? Because ads generally in the first place are basically content that just have extra dollars or extra naira or some extra money under the bonbon. That is what ads are, right? So it's content first that you have paid so that that content will get to more people. All right, so understand that it's content first. So your focus should be on making sure it's content that connects, it's content that people can use, it's content that can work with people, so that they will see it, get interested in it, interact with it. Then you can also sell with it. All right, so 2020 can be your best year. If you have any questions, you know, about ads, just let me know. If you have issues with ads, let me know. If you have problems with ads, no matter the problems, let me know. Right? If you have social media issues, you want to run social media accounts, you want to monetize online, all right, you want to make sure you probably do better this year, let me know. We can help. I'm a business and healthcare social media strategist. I run a social media management agency, social media marketing management agency. So whatever it is, just let us know. We can help you deal with it. We can help you fix it. All right. My name is Victor Anyanwu. They call me the social media oracle. I am at the Oracle VA across all social media platforms. All right. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you think the video was useful, all right, you can share it to people so that those people can also gain from all we have shared today. Thank you very much for being here. Please send me a message on WhatsApp 234-817710-8267. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.